Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A21s. So for that we will need the buttons the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you will have a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit it or share it directly. If you are using this feature for the very first time, you have to allow at first that it has permission to your photos and so on and so on. So but you will see that here in a little info box, so just go and allow and it's okay. Okay, one more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, just for short as I said, and then if you want you can edit the picture directly here. Maybe if you want to crop just a part, maybe if you're on a website and just want to have a picture there, and so on and so on. You can draw something inside, choose the color here, and so on. After you're able to share it also directly from here, or to save it then to your gallery. So by the way, you don't have to edit this picture to have it in your gallery. So if you just take the screenshot like that, it will be automatic in your gallery. Okay, let's have a look at the gallery. Here we have the photos. And what is very nice at the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder named screenshots. So you can always find them. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.